Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologist Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Christian Pascual. I'm an assistant professor at the University of the Cordilleras here in Baguio City, and I'm currently the program chair for the Forensic Science Department in the said university. I'm a graduate of the University of the Cordilleras as well in 2010. I took the Criminology board exam into August 2010. And fortunately, out of around 15,000 who took the board exam, I ranked first nationally. And since then, I've taught in 32 different review centers and universities nationwide. But this is the first time that I will be doing a lecture online, a review lecture online. So this is very it's a first time for me, so I'm very excited about this. Hopefully, it turns out well. Um, so I will be your speaker for 3 days. So the first day we will be talking about introduction to criminology. The second day we will be talking about juvenile delinquency and crime prevention, and then the last day we'll talk about human behavior and crisis management. So yun. So yeah, let's start. By the way, disclaimer lang, yung mga the way I don't know if you were already oriented but about this, but the way we will do this is a little different. So instead of like just plain lecture, I will be showing you questions, but those questions were kumbaga, that will be the outline of my lecture. So please note that the questions that I made uh, are not board exam, like they're not questions taken from the board exam, but rather they were taken directly from my notes, and I constructed them in a way para kumbaga magiging yun na yung parang magiging basis natin for or direction natin for the lecture. But eventually, at some point, I will be showing you some questions inspired by previous board examinations para you get the feel of how it's like to take the board examination. Medyo magtatagal tayo sa mga questions kasi nga, as I've said, the questions are already the outline for my lecture. No? So without any further ado, no, let's start. Okay. So let's look at this question, which is a very interesting question kasi kumbaga parang wala kang kwentang criminologist kapag hindi mo alam yung sagot sa question na to, no? Or kung mali ka dito. So, fair warning lang. Huwag ka muna magte-take ng board exam kung hindi mo alam sagutin tong question na to. So the question is, which among the following best defines criminology? So ito yung mga tipo ng tanong sa criminal sociology na lahat naman ng choices tama, di ba? But you have to decide kung alin sa mga tamang choices yung best answer dun sa question. And the question is, yun nga, which one best defines criminology? So A, B, C, and D can define what is a criminology, has some relationship with criminology, but which one is the best? Let's look at it. So letter A, it is the science of behavior and mental processes of the criminal. Wait lang. Kung titignan mo yung letter A, we're talking about human behavior, mental processes. Di ba pag we're talking about behavior, mental processes, di ba parang that's more of psychology, di ba? So which is just one aspect of criminology. So if you try to look at it, yeah, tama, di ba? It has something to do with criminology, but it may not be the best definition for criminology in a sense that it only tackles one aspect, di ba, of criminology. Let's skip muna letter B and let's look at letter C. No? So somehow binibigyan ko na kayo ng clue kung ano yung tamang sagot. But let's look at letter C first. It is the study of how society punishes criminals and the different methods of punishment that may cause people to alter to alter their behavior. Wait. Parang, may kinalaman yun sa criminology, but we're talking about the study of how society punishes criminals. Meaning, punishment, di ba? What is the study of punishment? We're talking about penology. So penology is one sub-area of criminology. So letter C, is not the best definition because it only parang best defines one sub-area of criminology, which is penology. It is not encompassing, kumbaga. And the letter D, it is the study of criminal things. Wow, it makes sense, no? Pero criminology, the study of criminal things. Pero what are criminal things? When you talk about criminal things, you're pertaining to anything that is left behind by the criminal in the crime scene, which may have some significance in the criminal investigation. So medyo, again, medyo specific yung definition na yon. It only pertains perhaps to one sub-area of criminology, which is criminalistics, diba? Or forensic science, which is the study of criminal things. So letter D is not the best answer as well. So you're left with one option, which is letter B. So let's look at letter B. Letter B is the scientific study of criminals, criminal behavior, and its causes. And that's correct. Bakit ba siya tinawag na criminology? Diba? Logos, the study. And then crimen, diba? From the root word crime, diba? Offense, diba? So it's the study of criminals. Who are these criminals? What are the different crimes that they are committing? What are the different criminal laws that they're violating? Their behavior, diba? What is in their mind? What's their modus operandi? Diba? What are the different ways that they're committing crime? And why are they committing crime? Diba? Which is very important for us to answer because, why they in order for us to understand them and in order for us to better, probably help them, diba? So that they don't commit crime anymore. So I think for this part, and I believe, diba? For this particular question, the best answer is letter B. Sige nga, thumbs up, clap emoji nga sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Bawal maglay, mamalasin sa board exam yung maglay. Sige, clap emoji. Yan, very good. Galing. Oh, dami very good. So, pwede na kayong, medyo namumuro na kayo. Pwede na kayong board exam.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or, you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!